What's up guys, Untitled Studios here, and today we're going to be unboxing a purple 64GB iPhone 11. Not the 12 that just came out, but the one that's right before it. Now take it out of the box. Ooh, fancy. Make sure it's in frame. Isn't that lovely? Ooh, it's purple. Don't drop it. It's brand new. Get that peel.
Oh, they don't put a peel on the back anymore.
Nope, they don't. But that's the pretty screen. Let me hold it. It feels like a 10R. Only with another camera. Probably makes sense because that's basically what it is. So we have the earpods with the lightning connector. We've got our charge brick. That's just the standard one that it's always come with. It comes in plastic. And then we've got our lightning cable, which is just a standard lightning cable, which is weird because I could have sworn the box said it was USB-C to lightning.
It didn't.
It didn't? I thought it did. Oh yeah. Wait. Oh yeah, lightning USB cable, not lightning USB-C cable. Okay. That makes sense. Okay. So there's that. It's even got purple in the box. There's the Apple logo. I think that's how they pronounce it. The Apple logo. And it said the SIM card's already inside of it.
So we'll find out here in a second once it boots.
Yeah. Hello. Oh, low battery. Oops.
LTE. Yep, it's in there.
Gotta sneeze for the iPhone. But yeah. Yep, so SIM card's already in there. And you can see the little sensor that's picking up on the camera for the Face ID. English. United States. I don't think we have any other Apple devices, do we? You gotta set it up manually. But first, we gotta grab our fancy case and put it in there. No, it's not. I brought it in. So, because before you even grab it to set it up, we're putting a case on it. So we got this, just a basic little case that should do the trick. This will focus. I think the camera's blurry on this. If I remember how to get this open, is the question. And our little fake iPhone. So we'll take this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put all these.
I need the charger.
No, you don't. We're gonna take all these. We're gonna put it back in the box, just like that. And then
No, the instructions code first.
we're gonna tell them. We're gonna take it back to the store since our new phone doesn't work. Unfortunately, be like, hey, my iPhone 11 doesn't work. And then they have to give us a new phone. Perfect. Ooh, purple. Look at that, it's purple. And while it may not look as fancy as the 12 in terms of all the fancy corners, it's actually a lot more comfortable. Because I have held a 12 before. I think the 11's a lot more comfortable. Don't touch the inside of it. There, now I gotta wipe down the back. I just touched it with my fingers. That wiped off pretty easily. Oh, there's already a scratch on it. What the hell? Wait, well, you can't really feel it, so it's probably not a scratch. It's probably just a streak. Because sometimes brand new phones come with scratches out of the box, which is kind of stupid. Now we just pop this case on. Just like that. Boom. There we go. Drop test.
No. No.
What do you mean no? That's not even it. That doesn't even count.
Okay, we're done.
We're done?
Yeah.
Okay, well that was the unboxing. Oh, jeez. Well, that was the unboxing of the purple 64GB Verizon iPhone 11, yada, yada, yada. So basically, to recap, here's a box, here's a phone. Oh, the paperwork. I forgot about the paperwork. So in the paperwork, we got quick start guide, SIM card removal tool that we've got 1,000 of, and of course my Apple stickers. So don't look at me like that. This is the fiance tax. I take your Apple stickers. Actually, no, there's two here. We share. We each get one. Okay. I'm sure I could probably buy Apple stickers, can't I? If I really wanted to, I could just buy them separately. Yeah, they give you just that crappy little power brick for some reason. And you're gonna open it. You're not like me where you leave all the cables and stuff in the box so it's complete and just use different cables.
No.
Am I weird like that?
Yes.
Well, that's what I always do. I always leave all the cables in here and just buy another set to actually use. Do you want to open these?
No.
You're not going to use these?
I'm going to use them eventually.
Okay, but that's what they look like. They're just lightning earpods. And they got a little tab that kind of pokes in. It doesn't want to go back in. Okay, so for now, oh, don't want to get the Verizon invoice on there. For now, this goes back in the box. Just like that. We'll put all this crap back in. Well, I think the stickers go back in there. They go in face down like that. Well, we've got our little quick start guide. I guess we'll look at that. It's very simple. We've got the little safety crap. And then we've got power off and SOS charging. Oh, to charge iPhone, you plug it in. Oh, that's great. Anyways, this is Untitled Video signing out with the unboxing and quick overview of the Apple iPhone 11 in purple. Wait, this isn't it. But yeah, so, anyways, that was the iPhone 11. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video real quick. Oh, if I can get that back out. Oh, nope, it's stuck. Try to crinkle up the packages. But yeah, so anyways, let's put the iPhone 11, let's put the iPhone 11 back in the box. Just like that. And put that back in there. And now we'll take it back to the store because it's obviously defective. Anyways, this is Untitled Studio signing out. See you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you have an iPhone 11 or 12 or anything else. What phone do you have? Drop it in the comments below. Figure this would be just a fun little quick video since my fiance got a new phone. Of course, I'm still rocking my Note 9, and I don't really plan on upgrading anytime soon, or at least if I do, it's going to be to another Note 9, maybe a 512 gig. But we'll see. Maybe I'll get a Note 10 Plus or something, so we're both on the same year of phones. So, anyways, this is 2019. This is not, no, this is not 2019. This is, why did I say that? Well, the phone's 2019, so maybe that's why I said that. This is Untitled Studio signing out. See you guys in the next video. And, have a good one. Peace. Let's get some crap up here. Did we read all this yet? So it's got all this stuff. And, yeah. So there's that. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, a Note 7. And look at that. Okay. Now we gotta put all this crap back in the box. Including the totally real iPhone. Also, this plastic that comes off in one piece, really cool. Who knew that they could make cool plastic? And I think this is nice too, because hopefully this will help people from trying to fraudulently like sell these as new, because I think it's probably a lot harder to fake this sort of a wrap versus the shrink wrap that the older iPhones used. So that's probably, I didn't even think about that. That's probably smart. That's why they did that. Keep people from trying to fake the the seals on these and sell, you know, used phones as new ones. Anyways, Untitled Tech Studio signing out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Peace.